USA, Tito Tattoo.
What's it say? Mega love shout out.
Okay, our topic for today is unboxing because this is our gift for ourselves. Sa Easter, what is it, Lance?
Easter anniversary birthday present.
Wow! So 3 in 1 occasion. So what is it?
We'll see when it comes time for the anniversary, when it comes time for your birthday, if you get something. Because
Well, the anniversary is at the end of this month.
I know it is.
What?
April 24th.
Yeah. So this is our unboxing now. What is this?
This is
Pretty.
what Tito Tatote.
I wish
I wish
you USA.
you USA. Tito Tattoo with Jam Cat. Oh, we have a guest today, Jam Cat. And Jasper Mama's over there, and Unicorn's Love 23 is over here, my side.
Yeah,
Okay, loves, go.
Well,
Go unboxing it.
no, go ahead. You do yours.
I don't like
What do I gotta do?
I can unbox it for
This
you.
ain't
Okay,
very
please.
much fun.
Mom.
Okay, go, Kian. Go unbox.
This ain't very much fun.
Go over there.
No.
Go over
Here,
there.
you want me to unbox yours too?
Yes, please, loves.
Yeah,
Well,
Daddy.
you can open it.
Okay, I will open it. Dun, 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 dun. Merry Christmas!
Even though it's far away. It's far away from Christmas though.
April na. Okay, it's
April
April
Fools.
Fools.
Jinx.
Oh, you open like that. Ooh.
Yeah, because it says down.
First time to open. Ooh. Ay, that's December pa pala. Wow.
I got the blue iPhone
Wow.
Pro Max. Wow. Pro Max.
They're Mayaman.
Mayabang.
You?
Where mayabang? Mine is gold. Oh, wow.
Pretty.
It looks like
Can I show
my
it? Can I show
old
it?
one. Wow.
It's a
Go,
crapple.
show it. Show it.
It's what?
Ooh.
It's a pretty color.
Crapple.
Yeah. Look at this. There's a free.
Headphone and cable. And then they give you the USB-C charger.
Oh, the charger is this.
English. Oh,
This is not
United
loves.
States.
April Fool. You don't fool me. This is not a joke.
Well, I'll wait till you.
Get attached to it.
I took it out. Why should I?
Oh, sure.
I put it.
Yeah. And then.
I'll put it.
Am I?
Put it.
Look at guys. There's it's so I love it. The color gold.
That kind of looks like a lightish pink. It kind of looks like a lightish
Love
goldish
it.
pink. Look, that right there looks like a
Ooh,
lightish,
it's heavy.
like
Yeah,
like
it is
right,
kind of heavy.
like that one right there, like that color in the back. It kind of looks like a lightish pinkish. Like it looks like a light pinkish.
Ang pile
And then got a pretty phone case, same color.
Me, I got. Where's mine?
And then
Me,
the
I got
protective-
mine, the purple one, cause
With
mother.
flowers.
It reminds mother comfort room. Yeah, the comfort room. Oh,
It's also
look
flowers.
at mother comfort room over there.
CR.
The CR.
I can attach that in your recording room.
How is it? Oh,
I'm done. I'm gonna take this off.
Well, we'll head back to the
There you
house.
go. I took it out. There's it
wow,
out from the case.
amazing!
It's
That's
clear.
how you do it.
Do you want me to help you put it on your phone?
Wow.
You want me to help you with the phone?
Wait a minute. Ooh. Amazing. I
Let's
like
start with
that.
Have a
yours.
fingerprint.
Inside. Yep. Yep. What else? There it is.
Thank you guys. Yeah. Hello. 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 So here's the key. Ta-da! Hola. Hola, Bamba. This is hola. Hello. Hello. The key. Bonjour. No, there's different language. Okay, ready. There's Chinese. Chongchang. Chongchang. Yeah, I know. There's Japan. Piang piang. In Japan, arigato. A lot of languages. Too much languages. Love, thank you so much. There's too much languages. But we're gonna just click English. Yeah. Yeah, only English that one. Okay. English. Select your country and region. United States. I'm not understand. And it says quick start right there. I'll give it to your daddy so that your daddy can.
What?
You need to help your wife.
Huh? What do I need to do that for?
You need to help. You need to be a gentleman.
Why not? You guys know what you're doing.
No, she doesn't know. I don't know. you know naman your wife is igno. Igno for you. So we pick a Wi-Fi. We have so much networks. No. Look at the Wi-Fi you connect. It's not that. Oh, that one. Okay. Yeah, press next. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Okay, let's connect now the charger. The charger is so... Oh, there's more paper. Do I need to take it out? This one? Yeah, paper? Take it out. Oh. Let's just put it extra. It says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Data and privacy. This icon appears on an Apple. I really like the back slope. It's heavy. It's heavy! Yeah.
It should be for as much as you pay for the phone, babe.
I love it. It looks like, wood. I did my face once, which is
Yeah.
I'm ugly now, and I have lots of scars now.
That's okay, the iPhone don't
Scan
care.
complete, continue.
It can scan all your ugliness and scars. And you're not ugly, babe. I wouldn't have married you if you were.
Thank you, love. Happy anniversary.
Happy
Okay, guys, we
anniversary.
completed the Face ID, and it says Face ID is now set up. Okay, continue. Place to continue. Create a password. I'm not gonna know. You know it already. I'm not gonna look it.
That's okay. She don't need to look.
Okay. Re-enter your passcode. Apps and data. Choose how you want to transfer.
Restore
apps
from
and
iCloud
data.
backup. No.
My ID.
Irish. Yeah, put it in Irish dot.
Do not tell it to them. Do not tell it to them. Now they're treating like king and queen. Yeah.
Do what?
You guys are treated like king and queen. We can open this if you want to. And your daddy is my king.
And right here, it says protect your phone and yourself. Better. It says right here, protect your phone and yourself. Better.
Wow. So that to avoid like this. This one.
This is gonna make cool.
Anyways.
Here we go, use this.
Happy anniversary. Easter, happy anniversary, happy birthday.